Lesson 22. Future continuous. What will you be doing? 2.
Tiffany, 25 years old, USA. My brothers and I will be celebrating our mom's 50th birthday on Saturday evening. We want to make it extra special for her, so we have booked a table at a Michelin-starred restaurant in New York City. We will be traveling to the Big Apple by bus on Saturday morning. We live about 2 hours away, but Mom has never been there. That is why we will be exploring the city with a tour guide before dinner. From 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., he will be showing us around some of the most iconic places. I'm sure that Mom will be taking lots of photos and videos in Times Square and Central Park. After the tour, we will probably go shopping because Mom rarely buys anything for herself. Around 5 p.m., my brothers and I will be taking her to the restaurant. She will be wearing a blindfold, so it will be a complete surprise for her. I hope so. I don't think she is expecting it.
Jan, 61 years old, Poland. This time next month, I will be visiting my daughter Natalia in Malaga. I have not seen her for almost 2 years, so I'm very excited to hug her. I will also be meeting my little grandson for the first time. How exciting! I will be traveling by plane for the first time as well. I'm a bit nervous about that, but I hope that it will be a great experience. My daughter will be waiting for me at the airport. She has already promised that she will be holding a big sign with my name on it. I don't think it is necessary, but she really wants to do it. She says that our meeting is going to look like a scene from a movie. That is her plan. It is hard to believe that we will finally be holding hands and talking face to face in a few weeks. I cannot wait.
Victor, 10 years old, Belgium. I will be taking part in a dance competition this Friday at 10 a.m. I started dancing a few weeks ago, so I'm not very experienced. I will be performing in public and competing with others at the same time. I will be doing both of those things for the first time ever. My partner and I will be dancing the waltz and the cha-cha-cha. I'm quite surprised because I'm not nervous at all. I know that my family will be watching and supporting me, and that makes me feel surprisingly calm and confident. I'm only a bit sad because my big brother Alex won't be able to come. He will be attending a very important business meeting at 9 a.m. that day. We will be keeping our fingers crossed for each other. I'm sure that it will help both of us.